Oh my god. Top 5 Q&A. Quezon Province. Si Atisha, no doubt, ang ganda, no doubt. Though yung laugh line lang niya, pag malayo sa camera, parang gusumot na. Pero maganda talaga siya.
Women learn from each other. What is the biggest lesson that you've learned from another woman, and how did it improve your life? My grandmother put me through school.
Okay.
And the biggest lesson I have learned from her is to always be kind. She is someone who has a big heart and took care of me since I was a kid. And I do
Hindi relax yung mukha.
my grandmother is
Super
someone
daming
I
blink.
look up to. She is someone that is an embodiment of what a great woman is. Thank you.
Grandmother, sabi niya grandmother. Pero ang likot ng mukha ni bakla. Hindi at ease, hindi relax. Hindi convincing.
Next we have
Let's go with Baguio. Ito ang ganda nito, sobra. Kailangan lang talagang hasain nito the way she talk, deliver.
Here we go. What is your breakthrough or big achievement, and how did it improve you as a person?
Being here in this prestigious pageant or the Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is my greatest achievement.
Para siyang si
The
ano,
Tara before is someone who
relax ang face.
who really limit herself when it
Mhm.
comes to her achievements. Where I stepped here in this Miss Universe Philippines and I see the transformation,
Nervous?
the improvement, and how I was able to become an inspirational woman that I am now. And that is something
Parang siyang
that
si
I will
Rabia
be
Mateo
proud
magsalita.
after this journey. Thank you.
thank you, Baguio.
Ayan. What do you think? Kainta. Magkamukha sila ni Baguio, no? Nalilito ako sa kanilang dalawa, si Baguio at si Kainta.
Okay. Women have inspired you all throughout your life. Now tell us about how you have inspired another woman.
You know, I've been told many times that I am too short to join a beauty pageant. But now I realize that pageants are a representation, a reflection of that very nation. And
She's
tonight, I
calm.
am not only representing myself,
She's talking
but
to
every
audience.
Filipino woman sees themselves in me. I hope to inspire every Filipina that just like universe, we too are limitless.
See?
Thank you.
Compared to Atisha, she's more relaxed. And she know what she's really going to say. Alam niya na kung saan niya i-end yung sasabihin niya.
Wala ka.
Oh my God, I'm so excited for this girl.
Thank you so much.
Dati sabi ko nung dati, Baguio will be the dark horse. Kasi sumisikat lagi sila Iloilo. Pero this
You are
time, boom!
beautiful and confident.
Bulacan.
How would you use these qualities to empower others?
As a woman of color, I have always faced challenges in my life.
Mike, please.
I was told that beauty has standards, actually. But for me, I have listened to always believe in my mother, to always believe in yourself, uphold the vows that you have in yourself. Because of these, I am already influencing a lot of women who are facing me right now.
So calm.
As a transformational woman, I have here 52 other delegates with me who have helped me to become the woman I am. Thank you.
Just right on time. So relaxed.
Thank you, Bulacan.
This girl, I have a feeling she will kill it.
Thank you.
Talakera to eh.
Okay.
Lumaban na
I like
to
this
eh.
one. What is the biggest challenge you face as a Filipino woman, and what do you do to hurdle the challenge?
I think one of the biggest challenges that Filipino face today are being limited by still being shadowed by, unfortunately, men or in society. But I think my platform and me standing here in front of you today, I can encourage women that you too can stand up, you can be strong, you can be powerful, you can own your own destiny, like I plan to tonight.
Not so great yung context, pero the way she delivered it, slay girl.
Alden,
Oh my God, ang hirap.
answers.
Whew.
Answers, Jenny.
Very quick on their
I think
feet.
for me,
I have to say,
Kainta.
ladies, you did a fantastic job.
Kainta.